guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today onwards I'm going to start a series called 5 weeks of top 5, where each week on Wednesday I'm gonna show you my top 5 products. Now that is a secret what top 5 products I'm gonna show you, but today let's talk about the top 5 makeup removers. So the first makeup remover that I have is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Now this is a really nice makeup remover when it comes to people with sensitive skin or people with dry skin. It is super nice and it is super gentle on the skin. Another thing I love about this is that it is not oil based. The thing with oil based makeup removers is that it becomes super oily and it's damn hard to take off, but it is really light and it's not oily, but still it's really nice. And even on the days when I don't feel like washing my face, I just take a cotton pad, wipe off all of my makeup, and even if I'm not wearing makeup, I just wipe it off. I just wipe my skin off with this, and it just takes off any dirt that's there, and then I can move on with my skincare routine. So yeah, the Garnier Micellar Water has to be in my top 5 list, and it is damn affordable. Like, all the products I'm going to show you in today's video are really affordable, so you can definitely go ahead and buy them. Next, I have a foaming cleanser, and this one is the Mamaearth's foaming cleanser. Now this is in the rose water and glycolic acid variant, and this is really nice. It actually melts your makeup, be it waterproof or not, and also it is very gentle with your skin, so it does not irritate in case it goes into your eyes and stuff. And I absolutely love using this product, and the brush of it, the bristles of the brush actually are really soft, so it does not irritate your skin as well. This is a wonderful product, and Mamaearth also is a very nice brand. It is plastic positive and it is vegan, and yeah, I really like it. It is cruelty free as well, so it is dermatologically tested and suits all skin types, which is amazing. And it is also paraben and silicone free, so it will not harm our skin, and it is really good for daily use. And if you're someone who wears makeup like me, I really need to take off my makeup very properly so that it does not harm my skin, and this one is a wonderful product. The next one is again very affordable, and the brand is very trustworthy. It is none other than the Pond's Vitamin Micellar Water. Now this one is in the detox charcoal variant, and it is clinically proven that it removes makeup. Now at 99%, it removes 99% of all of the eye makeup, and this was again for all skin types. And the thing is that it is a vitamin water, so again it will also nourish your skin, and it just removes makeup nicely, and you get a good quantity of product, and it is damn affordable. What else do you need, you guys? What else do you need? It is such an amazing product. Alright, so the next makeup remover I have is not actually a base makeup remover. It is an eye and lip makeup remover, because eye makeup and lip makeup is very rigid and it's very difficult, and I have a very tough time removing that, but not anymore, because I have the Maybelline New York's Eye Plus Lip Makeup Remover, and this is amazing. It removes the mascara, like the waterproof mascaras and the liquid lipsticks. It removes everything, and again it is not oily, it is super affordable, and it does not harm your skin. It does not have chemicals that would harm your skin actually. And yeah, so it melts off all of your makeup, and you don't have to be that harsh with your skin when you have this product. Now the next makeup remover I have is slightly expensive, but not that much also. You can actually afford it, but it is slightly on the expensive side, but it is completely worth the money. It is worth every penny. It is amazing. Like, believe me guys, this one I'm gonna show you is absolutely amazing. You won't regret buying this, and this is the Bioderma's micellar water, and this is my makeup removing micellar water solution. Again, it is made for your sensitive skin, okay, and it is dermatologically tested. And now this one actually costs for $3.95, which is slightly higher, like when it comes to makeup removers and the quantity, but
it's damn good, and again it melts off all of your makeup. It is meant for your face, your eyes, your lips, like
the thing is that it should not go into your eyes, and yeah, you're good to go. And also when it comes to your waterline, you can clean your waterline with this, and how cool is that? I mean, most makeup removers actually irritate your eyes and your eyes become watery, and you face with that problem, your eyes become super sensitive, but this one does not. So you can just take a cotton bud and then remove all of the kajal and everything, because again, removing makeup properly is important, otherwise your skin will break out, and that's it. So this is the Bioderma's makeup remover, which is really good, and this will last you a very long time. I mean, all you need is a very little amount to remove your entire face of makeup. And yeah, so this is really nice, worth the money, and definitely worth the investment, worth the hype, everything. And all the products that I suggest you are affordable and you can use them, guys. They are mostly meant for all skin types, but yes, do make sure you do a patch testing before you actually use it on your face, because I don't know how sensitive your skin is. But anyways, with this we are done with today's video. I know this was really short and precise, but yeah, all the top 5 videos are going to be like this, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Shivakshi Dikshit. Also do leave a comment and let me know what all videos you want to see, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.